Hola mis amores. We're starting off with this beautiful blush and going in. This look is inspired by Sophia's famous TikTok Duvalin tutorial. That's perfect for summer and every day. Next, we're going in with this concealer. We're using it to highlight the main points of our face. Forehead, under eyes, our chin, and anywhere that we really want to bring some highlight to. I'm using a foundation brush to blend as it gives a glowy and flawless look. This is the first time that I use concealer before blush, so I'm really excited to see how this look turns out. Next, we're using a powder to set everything in. I wanted to keep this look really light, so we're using a natural finish loose powder. This one from Chanel is amazing, and we're gonna go over all of the areas that we highlighted. Next, we're using a bronzer. This is going to help bring out more of that depth in our face, especially if we really want to bring out our cheekbones. And I'm going underneath, and then I'm just blending in with my finger. Oh my god, I already look like a Duvalin snack. And of course, more blush, because this wouldn't be Sophia's look without the extra blush. Now onto eyes. What I loved about this look were the eyeshadow colors. These are basically colors that we have. It's a brown and a white. That's all that you need. So no matter what palette you have at home, you know that you'll have some sort of shade of brown and white. This is what makes this look not only a nod to our favorite candy growing up, but also a fun way to incorporate everyday colors. I love the trick that she gave us on getting this eyeliner look. You're going to wing it all the way out, then you're going to make a little dot and you're going to connect it. Then, depending if you want your liner to be really thick or really thin, you're going to get it all the way to the inner corner of your eye and you're going to bring it out. Then you'll make a slanted V shape at the inner corner of your eye. Now, I do recommend that if you don't have a lot of experience with liquid eyeliners, use a pencil. That'll make the process a little bit easier. Now I'm adding my own twist, and instead of doing black underneath, we're going to do white to make it really fresh for summer. And we're going to underline our under eye with this beautiful white color. And then we're going to move on to mascara, and we're going to bring our eyes out, and we're going to do the top and the bottom, and then of course lashes. Pero primero, let's go get some Duvalin.
Going to Fry's, get some candy. Which aisle is it? Oh, look at the pretty flowers. Oh my god. Where's the happy? Where's the candy?
Fry's had no Mexican candy, so let's go somewhere else.
Drama at the Food City. So here we are at Food City, you guys, and there's already drama. It's here somewhere. I found it.
Whew, that was an adventure. Now look at these lashes, put some glue on them, use our favorite trick, which is a nail stick, and stick these babies on. And then we of course have to get a fan to dry these off. Feeling very Queen Cleopatra here, loving this look. And yes, we're going in with more blush because, hey, what's a little more blush? I love this look because it's really girly, it's really coquette, and it's just really beautiful. And if you want to see more beautiful stuff, check out my last video. Okay, enough of me trying to get you to click on my last video. Now we're moving on to lips. We're going for a classic nude color, and we're using 3 different shades. We're using a reddish liner, and then the lips we're gonna do for a very brown color, and then we're gonna use a beautiful gloss right on top. This is my absolute favorite Chanel gloss because it goes on beautifully and it stays on all day. And now we'll go back to our translucent powder, and we'll put it on any areas that are a little too shiny or just need a little bit of touch up. And which is your guys' favorite candy? Please let me know in the comments below which candy look you guys would love to see next. And we cannot forget highlighter. This is my OG favorite highlighter in the world from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna put that on my high points, on my cheekbones, on the tip of my nose, and blend that in. And this is gonna really make everything come together and look really sparkly and beautiful. I hope that you guys enjoyed my take on this beautiful Duvalin look. Los amo. Mwah!